Hi, I'm Nikki Phillips, a mum and media personality. My work days are never the same and always busy. One thing that is the same is the juggle of being a mum. Today I have a lot on, from a meeting to a photo shoot and then tonight a red carpet event. Obviously I can't have the same look for all three, so I have a secret tool to help me get through the day. Michael, we've known each other for a long time.
We've got three looks today and I'm going to be using the Sassoon Curl Secret Optimum. We're going to do a natural look, a sophisticated and a romantic with these beautiful curls. Place the hair in the chamber and there you go, sophisticated curl.
Well, that was quick. Off to my meeting. All right, off to the photo shoot.
See, it really is that easy.
Let me have a go. All right, I think I'm photo shoot ready. That's a wrap, on to the next.
For this look, we're going to do the romantic curl. Perfect. Beautiful romantic curl.
I told you it was going to be a busy day. Time to head to the event.